In this video, I'm going to go over how to put your account on hold. You're going to start by going to eatthea80.com and pressing the sign in button on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Here, you're going to sign in with that same username and password that you used to create your account. Alright, cool. Now that I've signed in, I'm going to click on the Next Order tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Now I'm going to get to that hold order section. Here it's going to tell me when my next order is scheduled to ship and when I will be charged. In this case, my next order is scheduled to ship on June 25th and I'm going to be charged on June 21st. Now, to place my account on hold, I'm going to select the Monday that I would like my account to resume and my meals to ship. So I'm going to click Select a Date. Now let's say I'm going out of town now and getting back July 16th. In order to log this on this calendar, I would just go to the month of July and then click 16. Now that I've selected July 16th as my resume date, I can scroll down and see the confirmation that based on my selection, my next ship date is July 16th and my next charge date is July 12th. An important thing to remember is that you can only place your account on hold right before you actually want it to be held. So if a month from now you are going on a vacation and you'll be gone for a week, you need to wait to put your account on hold until the week prior of you leaving. Because as soon as you click on that calendar date, it is going to pause you from now until that Monday resume date that you select. So finally, when I'm ready to pause my subscription, I just click the Pause Subscription button, and then it's going to take me back to my user portal. Here I can see that if I click on the My Account tab, it's going to say that my next order ship date is July 16th, just to confirm once again that my account is on pause from now until the 16th. I'm also going to receive an email confirming that I put my account on hold. And if my plans change, it's important to note that at any time I can resume my subscription. So let's say that instead of getting back July 16th, I actually just canceled my entire vacation and I'm not going at all. Now I can go over to the Next Order tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and click Resume Subscription. After clicking Resume Subscription, it's going to automatically give me another email welcoming me back and saying that I have resumed my subscription. Now, since I've resumed, I just click on My Account and I can see that my next order ship date is June 25th, just like it would have been if I hadn't paused in the first place.